This is a perfect room for 2 people, man. I mean, families of 5 staying. This is a bed, and then there's another bed. See right here? That's a bed too. It comes down. It's got a TV, and of course, you can go on a cruise anywhere you want, but you'll never, and I mean you'll never, be at a beach like this unless you take a Disney cruise. Disney rocks. Check this guy out. I was out there, we swam all the way out there from that beach, all the way out. Did you hear that, people? When you wish upon a star. Kick ass. We're catching it all on video too. I'll be back. We're getting ready to take off, guys. Here we go, guys. She's staying behind. Goodbye. Diane, are we coming back here?
Yes.
It's really badass, guys. I'll tell you one thing, I'm tired as a dog. Man, am I tired after swimming out there all day long. I'm burnt, I'm tired. We're gonna go see Beauty and the Beast here soon. We're checking out, we're going to see. It's very calm out there, guys. I mean, look how calm the sea is right now. So calm. You know, big ship's taking off. Just everybody to know, this is a great freaking place to come. Too bad you don't get to spend one day here. Wow. What an awesome place. We'll see you guys later. Alright. So here we are, the amphitheater, watching Beauty and the Beast. What a great show that is. And the show out on the deck in the evening. There's a pirate night too that night. The watch we bought Diane. We always seem to buy watches on our Disney excursions. There's our meal. We don't show much food on our channel, but hey, it was good food, I'll tell you that.
Did you take a picture of our door?
No. Should I take a picture of our door?
Yes.
Okay. Here's our room right here.
How that artwork?
95. That's the room you want to stay in. It's a cool room. It's just John and Diane. Oh, Valentine's Day. So everybody watch, baby, what you got for I bought you on the board. See how cool that watch is, guys? Nice. Okay, we're up the top deck here. Well, we're not at the top deck.
going as the time
How cool is that? How we get up there? Look, there's a bar up there. That's how you get up right there. This is the adult only area, babe.
I like that.
We ain't even been up here the whole time we've been on the ship. Doing too crazy, doing other shit. Going up? Here we go.
Catherine! Oh, she's putting her towel up.
This is the lounging area. So adult here. No one's. Everybody's in the shade. Let's stop here for a sec. You see that? I don't know if you can see it in the distance over there. See those white things? Those are buildings. Yeah, it's land. It is. I saw it through the binoculars a little while ago.
I saw it this morning too over.
There's a lot of tankers over there too waiting to go to it. Definitely there are buildings out there.
What is that?
Out there? I was looking.
Again.
I can fly. I can fly. With the top deck of the ship. The very top in front here. Look how badass of a day it is today, guys. It's our last day on the ship. We get off tomorrow morning and trek into Orlando for another 8 days at Disney World. Really is something. First, it won't be my last time, I'll tell you that. We need to get the whole clan together, Diana, get us all to come out here. Ha ha. That's so big. I'm not taking pictures, I'm doing video. With the wide angle. I love this wide angle, man. It gets everything. This thing was badass in 4K too. Pretty quiet out here. I don't know what everybody's doing, but they ain't out here.
Yes, they are.
Well, some people, but I'm talking to.
Stuff going on.
So I'm saying I don't know what they're doing. There's a family area here. There's a little more people here, and all the kids are playing. And And right here is a video screen, and when you're over there, you can see it. So I guess we need to walk over there. There's the aqueduct. I didn't get on the aqueduct. The Dream, guys. You gotta get on the Disney Dream. This is something freaking else. Wow. And you know me, I love to be at sea. I put my boat in the water all the time. Love it. Man, it is pretty hot out here too, guys. It's got to be 80. It feels like about 80. There's the aqueduct, babe. Is that the aqueduct entrance? Do it, babe. Do it. You don't want to do it. There's the sports bar up there. Hey, we're going to do some hoops. Huh? Foosball champions. Wowzer. Look at that big dude in there. Those kids ain't got a chance of that big dude in there. And they got putt-putt golf. Look at that. Whole family can play putt-putt golf.
Almost.
Hold on.
There's Diane. How cool is this? And Disney takes care of everybody, not just the kids. The adults. Half these kids' parents are probably drinking it up. Let's go right there. All the artwork. I mean, how does it look? It looks like Mulan. And that is Jasmine. And that is
Cinderella.
no, that's Tia. That's right.
Frog.
This is Belle.
No,
I'm pretty sure.
so I think it's Aurora.
Okay. There she is, the very first. A lot of people don't know this is the very first animated film ever.
Color.
Color.
Show out the window.
Cinderella.
Uh-huh.
We just walked. We were what are we on 3 now? We were 11 decks up. Now we're 3. Now you can kick back on these little things if you want to just relax and enjoy the air conditioning, read the book. I've seen a lot of people doing that. There's Jasmine. Pocahontas. I don't know who that is. Belle. Mulan. So this is the bar that we're at. The first bar we drank at. And we literally came in right there. And there's a big area, foyer. There's a bar. Me and Diane walked right to the bar. And sat here, drank 2 drinks before we went to our room. Pretty cool place, man. Hidden Mickey. I ain't gonna talk to these people about how much money we spent. I don't know where everybody's at. There's some people. This is a badass atrium. And when you come in the ship right there, it's the first thing we saw. You guys saw that in the video. Come through. It's killer. All the elevators. They have elevators mid, front and back of the ship. There's our bar. It's a bar I always drink at. Check this out.
You go hide the
Built for a king. There's all the shops. Now you're gonna find Diane. She's right there. Alright, and all the officers are out meeting everybody here. We got a chance to meet Captain Henry. He signed our Big Fid Dream model that we got there. So we have his signature. We got back to our room and look what we had. Jesse and everybody.
We're packing up. Mama's packing everything.
We gotta have everything packed up and outside our door between 8:30 and 10:30 tonight. And then they'll have it out in front so we can pick it up when we drive through. Which would be nice. But it's a sad state of affairs when something that really exceeded every expectation I had. Every one. She agrees, exceeded the expectations. And you know how much I love water and I love being boats. But man, here we are, coming up to the end of everything. There's land out there. It's kind of, this is a, I was told by somebody that's a Nassau, like a post where they repair ships and do oil tanks and those type of things, way in the distance there. And you can't see because the sun's almost going down. So peaceful. So peaceful. Man, I'm just so damn, I don't know how to say it, I guess blessed. Finally got to do something I've always wanted to do. To a cruise, getting crystal clear ocean water. I mean, that water was so crystal clear. It's almost like a swimming pool. Salty, very salty though. Way more saltier than the Texas coast water. But the water was a little cool. I was the first one in on the adult side and didn't take long, about an hour, and then half the people were in the water, up to their waist anyways. Then we moved to the children's side, and, well, not children's, but the family side, which is actually deeper than the adult side by 10 feet. So I was able to get down in there and get some good video, which I put together for us. And it's in 4K. I didn't realize it, that particular thing is 4K. Howdy ho, neighbor, how you doing? I'm just talking to my video camera so I never forget what I just went through.
I wonder when they're going to crank it up so we can move. It's been like this all day.
Yeah.
That must be an island.
That's part of Nassau, what I asked about it. He says it's a Nassau filling post. Freeport, whoever said that was correct. Freeport. And they do ship repairs and stuff there.
We had a snail face.
Yeah. I think earlier today we weren't even moving hardly. We were just like floating.
Take care.
You too now. Wow. That was our neighbor next to us here. So yeah, wow guys, do it. It's not that expensive when you consider everything that you get. Broadway style show. Oh my God, the shows are freaking fabulous, man. And then the movies we get to see. We're gonna go to dinner at 8:15, and then when we're done eating dinner, which by the way is your service is above and beyond anything most people even experience in life. And then we're gonna go see Black Panther, and Black Panther comes out tomorrow night in the United States and worldwide. And since we are in the dream, we're going to be the first people to see Black Panther ever in the world. So when you're on the dream, they always show good movies. We've seen Star Trek, we saw Thor, we saw Coco, and now we're seeing Black Panther. That's all been today. We've seen 2 movies already. Had great food, ate movie, shopped, movie. So much fun. But what a great place to come. And if you have kids, man, I don't know, this is probably better than taking them to Disney World because they ain't going nowhere. They have their own sections, and the ship's only so big, and they ain't gonna get lost here. There's just too much to do. Kids are just going crazy. Luckily, we didn't have a lot of teenagers here. A lot of kids, six and under, I would say, maybe 6. I've seen a couple of teenagers. Mostly it's adults. A lot of empty nesters like Diane and I. So I figured it was the time of year we'd do it, and we've had beautiful weather. Not one raindrop. You can see the weather. Nobody shows the clouds. Look how beautiful it is out there. We're floating in the middle of the Atlantic. The water is deep blue. It's hard to see now the sun went down, but you know, what's the type of water you see when you're watching Jacques Cousteau or something? Yeah, just what an experience. I had the time of my life for it. Yep, I've had the time of my life. Alright, enough of the wishy-washy shit, I'm out.
Register your credit card when in the terminal before you boarded the ship. Fine. Just double check the itemised bill that will be placed into your fish outside your door, and you're fine.
Dave, it's 5:35 p.m.
For those of you that want to pay in a different medium, maybe cash or some other form of payment,
You got a
just again
text message.
check the itemised bill that will be left in your fish.
It's 5:35. You said
And
you're.
go down.
It's 5:35.
Pay. If you wish to pay the night before Port Canaveral,
It's for what?
you can do. Just go to guest services.
Yeah, which we didn't even sleep, remember? Okay. So wow, it's dark out there. Look over here. We're home. We woke up and we're already on port. Back to Port Canaveral. Let's go outside here. It's busy down there. A whole lot of nothing. Whole lot of people doing a whole lot of nothing down there. Looks like it's going to be another hot day here. I don't see them one little cloud in the sky over there. So well, I gotta say this has been an awesome fucking vacation. Wake up and here we are. It's about 6:40 in the morning. They've asked us to be ready to leave the boat by 9, but we're gonna go eat breakfast. We're gonna get one more last breakfast on the ship before we leave. We'll come back and get our stuff. And then we're gonna walk all the way through there and all the way over there. The parking garage. We're parked on the 3rd level, right there where the level is. Which was a tip given to us. It's nice out here, man. Hustle and bustle Friday morning. What an awesome trip, man. What an awesome, awesome trip. Just want to say